Are you a car enthusiast who loves taking care of their car? You pamper your car in every way you can, but you started to notice that your car's paint's looking a little dull or faded and doesn't have that shine it used to when it was new. I get it, you're running to the store or online, you're buying the latest and greatest waxes, sealants, soaps, cleaners, anything they can throw at you, and either it doesn't seem to make a difference or it doesn't last. Well, I'm going to tell you, you can stop doing that right now. It's not helping you and you're wasting your money. Your problem goes deeper than any one product can fix. Most likely your problem is coming from fine scratches, bird etchings, maybe bug guts, or tree sap. All these things are causing damage to your car's paint and over time making the paint look dull and faded. Yes, some of the products you may be using look like they're solving the problem, but they're just covering it up, just kind of like medication treats the symptoms but never the cause. So my question to you is, don't you think it's more important to treat the cause than the symptoms? I'm not sure if this is for you, but the solution may be that your car just needs to be polished, just like this Mustang did. There's a lot of different options when it comes to polishing, anything from bringing back some of the gloss to a full-on showroom shine. So go ahead and check out the contact information below. You can schedule your free car care review with us, either on our website or give us a call. Stop in, we'll take a look at your car together and we'll see if there's anything we can do to bring back some of that shine to your ride. And as always, don't forget to clean, protect, and maintain your ride. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.